One word substitutions. Practice set 1. R.S. Agrawal. To examine one's own thought and feelings. Introspection. A short, usually amusing history about some real person or event. Anecdote. Woman who offers the use of her body for sexual intercourse to anyone who will pay or for this prostitute. Life history of a person written by another. Biography. Custom of having many wives. Polygamy. A person who does not believe in any religion. Pagan. Bringing about gentle and painless death from incurable disease. Euthanasia. A lack of moral. Licentious. A small enclosure for cattle, sheep, poultry. Pen. To cause troop, etc. To spread out in readiness for battle. Deploy. One who forcibly seizes control of a bus or an aircraft. Hijacker. The act of killing one's wife. Uxoricide. Music sung or played at night below a person's window. Serenade. A government by the noble. Aristocracy. Anything written in a letter after it is signed. Postscript. A strong and settled dislike between two persons. Antipathy. A person who has no money to pay off his debt. Insolvent. An entertainer who performs difficult physical actions. Acrobat. A small house with all rooms on one floor. Bangla. A song embodying religious and scared emotions. Hymen. The policy of extending a country's empire and influence. Imperialism. Government by a single person. Autocracy. Practice of a married woman having extramarital relationship. Adultery. A workman who fits and repairs. Plumber. Parts of a church in which bells hang. Belfry. Mania for walking. Logomania. The custom of having more than one husband at the same time. Polyandry. An extremely deep crack or opening in ground. Chasm. The study of ancient societies. Archaeology. The foolish belief that one is God. Theomania. History of weddings of the husband to be transacted at a meeting. Agenda. A process involving too much official formality. Red tapeism. Person who brings an action at law. Plaintiff. The short remaining end of a cigarette stub. The, the place where public government or historical records are kept. Archives. A post without remunerations. Honorary. Large scale departure of people. Exodus. lottery in which an article is assigned by lot to one of those buying tickets rifle to send an unwanted person out of the country deport voluntary giving up throne by king in favor of his son abdication child deprived of one or both the parents orphan gift left by will legacy a government run by a dictator autocracy one who always runs away from danger timid a person written on the death of someone loved and lost allergy one who despises person of lower social position a snob gradual recovery from illness corn valley skin one who is determined to exact full vengeance for wrongs done to him vindictive a person who believes that pleasure is the chief good hedonist commencement of word with the same letter alliterations